Hello and welcome to uniquephone.co.uk. We got a new version of the Mirascreen. This is called Anycast. Same the other one. You got the button in the back. The other one was my previous video is got the button on the side, but that one button in here. Same principle, same function, but different menu is it. And so you got the power cable as well and Wi-Fi extender. Plug that one here. This is a go back to the HDMI port, and this is a go to the USB charging, or if your TV's got USB port, just plug that one to power it up that one. So I'm going to connect that one to the back of the TV, the HDMI. And I plug that one to the USB port for powering up. And this comes with the menu, show you what to do, is it? So let's have a look. Oops. Wrong program. HDMI. So this is the one if you want to connect it to your iOS device, Android device, Apple and Windows. If you want to just connect it to your quick connect to your Android tablet like a Samsung or anything with a smart view function, the button what I showed you before, just to go and connect, press that one to change the mode. Now is able to connect it. You see, this is same the other one. Later on, maybe it's not connected straight away, you need to run it a couple of times. There you go. It's connecting in progress. So it's connected now. Just a letter to check something if you're going to work. Example, we are going to here, and we are going to here, we are going to here, we are going to watch the trailer. Let me put the volume up.
How would you describe what the circle is to, say, your grandmother?
It's the chaos of the web, the elegance.
Speed round, Paul or John?
Honestly, this is working, but this is the easy way, so everybody can go connect it and go work with it. But what we are want to do, we want to try to connect it with the iPhone. I have the iPhone 6s. I'm going to press the button again in the back to change the mode. So this is the first time I'm going to connect it with that way, with that Mirascreen, and we look how it's working. So it's the stay here. First step, connected to the Anycast. So second step, go to. Okay, find that one. It means I'm going to go to Wi-Fi and search for Anycast. There you go, the first one, Anycast. We are going to connect it. Password is on the top there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Join. So it's come here. The cross is gone. This means it's connected now. What I'm going now, I'm going to back to Safari, and I'm going to type in the 192.168.49 and 1. There you go. You are actually the menu or the Mirascreen. Now it say make a dongle connect to the Wi-Fi AP. Yes, we click that one. Is now a searching. Let this scan again. So I got here talk plus net on anything. I'll find your. Now ask you here talk for the password. I just need to give to I just need to type in the password in for the Wi-Fi. Yeah, so done and connect. So Okay, you can see here it's connected now. That one is connected to it. And now okay, we go back. We go, let's have a look. It need to be connected to the same network what is actually your Mirascreen connected. Talk 9FE. We are going to connect that one too. So it's connected, that is connected, both is connected. Now we are going back. Slide up. AirPlay mirroring. Any case Mirascreen ITV, connecting that one, choose it. Yes, it's working. Result. Let's find something to watch. Have you got YouTube? Yeah. YouTube. Go search for full movie. We go in that one.
Google, play Cartoon Rock by Delicate Steve.
Okay, playing now.
Yes, working, and you are connected to the internet as well.
Right. Translation today, everyone. So PDF.
You see, the quality is not that great. It's still what you all need to do. You just go here and pause it. Wait for about 10, 20, 30 seconds to load it up, and after press play. It should be quality is going to be alright. You see, the quality is going better. You just need to load a little bit before you start to get better quality. So let's have a look. Other function for a Sky Go on like that stuff. I'm sure it's going to work, but I don't have honestly here. But easy peasy. If you go to the internet, you got that one again. Yeah, but you can go out for that one, open new one, and I don't know. Movie. What is it? Movie. So let's have a look here. You should not use them page. This is only for sample, only for demonstration. Safari cannot open, fair enough. Go there. Go back there. Working with the sound, with the internet, and with the iOS. And this is the latest iOS we got here. This iPhone 6s. Just let's have a look what for iOS we got. General about, and we got here 10.3.2. Voila. If you have any question for that one, drop me email, let me know. I'm going to help. And if you want to connect it, oops. If you now let disconnect it, that one. Mirascreen turn off. So now it's come back. Now I want to go to connect it my Samsung tablet to it. Just go in the back, press the button, change the mode, slide it down, smart view. Wait a few minutes. Done. Easy. This is a new upgrade one for the old Mirascreen. This is any cased, and it's worked perfect. Honestly, I'm impressed. Very good. However, if you have any question, any problem or anything, drop me email, drop me message, and I try my best to help you. Thank you for watching. uniquephone.co.uk.